guys, welcome back to Gen Cousins. Today we're doing part 2 of our day routine. So let's go home, we'll have a shower, and then maybe we'll order some lunch and go to the beach. I think that sounds good.
I think you're muted, Jackie.
I'm not.
Okay, no.
I'm not talking. Okay, let's go.
So we're home now.
I'm gonna have a shower first
Ready
because...
to close. So why am I going inside of here? Alright, yay, we're home. So I'm gonna go in the shower.
No. I'm so dirty. Look at me. You're not as dirty as me. Come on.
Kids.
Come on, you're too slow.
Stop! Oh my god, let me have my peaceful time. Like drying my hair.
Oh my god, get out of the shower now.
I'm just putting some makeup on. Alright.
No, I want to see if they have a rose.
Nelly, get away from me. I'm clean. And I'm a barista.
Okay, I'm going to have a nice shower.
A nice shower. That gym outfit.
And this is the next day. We actually filmed part 1 yesterday, but I can only be filming for 15 minutes, so this is part 2. Then we're gonna have part 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, now I'm all nice and clean.
Okay.
I'm gonna blow dry my hair.
Okay. Alright, I'm just looking for something that was meant to be on my purpose. We'll go to day up. Okay, this is outfit called Infinity. Oh yeah, I know why. Because it has the Infinity sign. Alright, where's that thing I was wearing before? I don't even know why I had to dress. What pink party dress? Oh, I know this is ugly.
Okay, now I'm just gonna put on some clothes.
I'm trying to find the clothes with the crop top with it.
Alright, let's go order some food and then I'll quickly get changed into my pajamas.
Can you see what I'm wearing?
No, you're wearing your swimmers.
Alright, good. Because that's disgusting what I just chose. That is my pretty thingy. Alright, back.
I totally did not see what you were wearing that was so ugly.
Is this what I was wearing? Is
No.
it nice? Ew! I didn't realize. Disgusting.
Why didn't you realize it looks so bad?
Well, I couldn't see what I was like pressing because like it didn't show up. Alright, so I was like, it had like crop top in it, and I knew like what it said. Oh, this is terrible. Ew. I can't believe I was just wearing that.
Yeah, I can't believe it as well.
I'm going back to the top because I couldn't find it. Shall I take a jumpsuit?
The food's here.
Where?
It's outside.
Oh, we'll get it.
No, I'm getting changed.
Well, I'm getting changed. Look at me. I look like a freaking boobo. Ew, I should get that outfit off me. It's still on. That disgusting outfit was still on me. I can't believe that. It's gross. It's terrible. It's disgusting.
Okay, I just got my normal outfit. So I have my swimmers underneath my outfit that I'm wearing right now.
Well, yucky you. Lucky you.
No, literally, look at my outfit. Look at my outfit. Just come out and look at my outfit.
Okay, I'll look at it later. Oh, I used to have that outfit. I'm in my jumpsuit.
I'm gonna go get. Did you just search up jumpsuit?
Yeah, not really. I just found it scrolling down. Okay, what the heck are you doing with this pizza? Alright.
Why are you wearing your swimmers right now?
Because we're gonna go to the beach soon. Oh, fine, I'll change my day outfit. Alright, did you get the colas? Actually, don't worry, I think we might have some still in the fridge.
Yeah.
Let's see. Do we... Yep, we have one more.
You can have it. I'll just have like a water or something.
No, you can have it. I'll just have like the normal disgusting. Well, I'll have a box and you can have the Coke. Alright, come on. Get your drink. Oh, I'm really hungry. Alright. Jackie,
Yeah.
where are you?
I'm getting changed.
What you already did before.
Yeah, that was my other outfit.
Alright, I got your Coke. I'll just leave it on the light bench. Alright, I'm going to get my swimming outfit and I'll be waiting for you. But first I'll go on the computer for you. And I'm going to eat an ice cream.
I found this really cute outfit and I got it.
Yes. Show me. How's that cute?
It's okay. It's something you'll probably wear with like a swimmers. Like you'll probably put shorts and a t-shirt. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Alright, so to the beach. But how's that a beach outfit? How are you going to swim?
No,
I'm wearing, because I have like this little barista skirt on me.
Yeah, I'll put my things on.
Alright, where's your car?
I'm gonna grab mine.
She still needs to make it. Why does it say Jackie's house?
Because I did that.
Okay, there's our boy. Wait, let me just take the roof off, because I like the roof. It's more...
Can you just get in the car?
I'm in the car. I just like the fresh air. Put some music on.
Can you?
Okay. Keep driving. Actually, you can't do it. No, don't move. Bye. We're gonna waste time again. Alright, use radio. I can't. You have to do it.
Okay.
Okay, let's
I'm going the long way.
But we don't have time. When it comes to 6, it goes dark.
Well, it's your fault for taking so long.
Me? I was waiting for you. I was dressed like way before you. Did you even get your Coke?
No.
You don't. Hurry up and drive. Seriously, how slow are you? Alright, you're here now. You park, I'll get some ice cream. Oh yeah. I do like getting vanilla. We're doing the role play on this one. Alright, now on the road being dark. Alright, I'm going for a nighttime dip.
Yay!
Oh my god, look how dark it is underwater. Oh, it's so nice underwater. Oh, I love swimming when it's dark. I'm going for a nighttime dip. It's just backwards one. Come on, swim with me. It's beautiful.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Where are you?
I'm swimming.
I just want to tan. I'm gonna keep the sandcastle that I did. It looks so weird how I'm rebuilding.
Oh my god, I'm actually swimming underwater. Before I couldn't swim underwater.
Exactly. How about we go on Ferris wheel? It's lighting up.
I'm coming.
Let's just hope not Mad Maddie comes. What a hacker. Alright, anyway, hurry up, I saved a pink seat. Just dodging. Alright, I'm on the pink seat. Hurry up and come with me. If you're not a pink seat. The heck are you dying in the water? Alright. I'm stuck. Alright, okay. See, and I'm stuck again. I'm stuck. Alright, I'm stuck on the floor.
Well, I'll get the car.
Oh, sorry, I can't see the car, so that's the problem. So I teleported home.
I was actually going to get the car and put it in front of you.
But I couldn't see the car and I can't press it. Alright, I'll come back, Jackie.
Okay, when are you coming?
Alright, where's your car?
It's there.
Are you inside?
No, I'm at the pool. I'm at the beach.
Well, come here. It's like 8 o'clock, you know, like...
Well, I'm too far away. I swam all the way to the end.
I'm eating Milo cereal. That's plain. Alright, I'm getting to bed.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Do you want any food?
No, I'm okay. I'll just make something. Like, I'll make mac and cheese.
Nirvana, come stand outside with me, quick.
Why?
Because there's only 13 minutes.
13 minutes for what?
Filming.
20 minutes for what?
Filming.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to watch part 3. Bye.